The home of this rare hummingbird is in the foothills of the Andes in a remote corner of Peru. The male spatule-tail hummingbird's two super long quills end in these rather cumbersome discs. These might seem rather inconvenient and unnecessary, but their purpose becomes apparent when a female appears. She is rather plainer in appearance, but that's okay. She doesn't need to make an effort. It's his job to win over her. The male begins his courtship ritual by waving his tail feathers back and forth. This takes a lot of effort, even from the comfort of his perch. But to be accepted as her mate, he needs to take to the air. Watch this. She seems quite impressed. As she looks on, he begins an airborne dance, dipping his head and crossing his tail feathers, just as Gould captured in his painting. But this is exhausting work. It's so demanding he can only stay airborne for a matter of seconds before he needs a rest. He doesn't seem to be winning, but he decides to make one final effort. It's no good. She's seen enough. In a flash, she's gone. You'll just have to try even harder next time.